What's up everyone, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to store your NIM on your Ledger Nano S. Now for those of you who are new, a Ledger Nano S is a hardware wallet, also known as a cold storage device, which one uses to store your cryptocurrencies, and the reason a lot of people use them is because it's considered to be the most secure way, because you're not relying on software and your private keys are stored offline. But we will get into how to secure your NIM on your Ledger Nano S. Alright, so the first thing is you will need to get a Chrome app. You need to make sure you have the Chrome Manager app, and the best way to get to that is to just go to ledgerwallet.com. I would recommend going to ledgerwallet.com and then going to apps. Make sure you're in Chrome to get the app, because there are copycats, but if you go directly through the website, you know it's the legit one. So you just get the app. Now I already have the app, so I will just click this little icon over here that says Show Apps. Also, make sure you have your Ledger Nano S plugged into your computer and logged in past the little password with the numbers when you first plug in your Ledger. So as you can see, Ledger Manager right here. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up. It's connecting to the Ledger. So the first thing you need to do when you plug it in is make sure that your Ledger Nano S is up to date. As you can see, there's a new firmware available for this one right here. So I'm going to click on this. Ledger is all up to date. As you can see here on the computer, we're now inside of here, and if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see Nimiq. So you have to make sure your Ledger is up to date to be able to see this, but you also need to reinstall stuff like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because when you update it, it usually uninstalls the apps, but you don't lose anything. You just reinstall it and all is good. There's Bitcoin again, all good. Scroll down to the bottom, right here, Nimiq. It's very easy, stands out. Click the little install button, and now it is installing Nimiq onto the Ledger. And there we go. As you can see on the Ledger Nano S, right here is Bitcoin, and if I press the button to the side, it says Nimiq. That's pretty cool, but we're not quite done. So the next thing to do is to head over to Nimiq.com. Right here it's open, but it is extremely important for you to always manually type in Nimiq.com and then press enter to make sure you're not at a fake website. Then you want to click on Safe, and as you can see, I already have a wallet here with 500 NIM. The 500 NIM is coming in, so it should be here any minute now. But to connect my Ledger, to be able to access my Ledger Nano S's wallet, I'm going to want to click this little plus icon right here. Press that, and then it's going to say Import Ledger Account, and the little Ledger logo is here. So press that, and on my Ledger, I'm going to click both buttons while I'm selected on Nimiq. And then, it says confirm address, so yes. But if it's not working, something you may have to do is press the side button, go into settings, then press both buttons to go into browser support, and make sure it's selected on yes. Could be selected on no. By default, it should be on yes. That's how it's been, but just in case. Make sure you're still inside of Nimiq, and as you can see, here on inside of safe.nimiq.com, here is my Ledger account. And now to send NIM from this wallet to this one, I'm going to go into Ledger account, and I'm going to copy this public address. So just by clicking on it, it copies it. Now I will head out of there, head over to this other wallet of mine called Booyah, and I'm going to click send from this account. Right here where it says send to, I will paste the address, and what's pretty cool, pretty neat, is that I can see the little identicon right here is the same as my Ledger one, so I know it's the right address. Pretty neat, very helpful. Just like double check, make sure. If this is different, then you know the address is probably different. I'm just going to send max, but if you wanted to, you could send a specific amount. And all is good. I'm going to click send, and then I now have to enter my passphrase. Enter that, and the 500 NIM have now been sent over, so as you can see, they're pending. So in just a moment, they will appear in this wallet. And there it is. So now my NIM is now safely stored on my Ledger Nano S right here, and Now when I unplug my ledger, it's going to be stored offline. So this is how to transfer your NIM from one wallet over to your Ledger Nano S and store your NIM more securely. Hope this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. And guys, it really is that easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.